Good day, everybody, and welcome back to Mathematics Class with Teacher Matthew. Today, we're going to take a look at Lesson 12.3, Geometry, Making and Identifying Shapes. So in this lesson, I would like everybody to prepare your ruler. Prepare your ruler, please. It could be in this form. It could be in this form, your ruler. Because we're going to use your ruler to do some drawing, making shapes. Now let's go to the workout, the warm-up. Now, Paul started drawing a triangle. How many more lines does he have to draw? To draw a triangle, the triangle looks like this. So how many more lines? Just one more. Now, everybody use a ruler to complete the triangle from these dots to the dot on this line. Make sure the dots are connected and make sure they are in straight line. And you have something like this. Now, Fawn was drawing a square. How many more lines does he have to draw? To draw a square has 4 sides, yeah? But triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, and the third one. But square has got 4 sides. That's why it's called quadrilateral, yeah? So we need 2 more lines to make it 4 sides. So we're going to draw 2 more lines. We already have these 2 lines, 2 sides. So we're going to join this to the same line and draw a square. Now, what is different about the shapes Paul and Fawn drew, and what is the same? What is the same about the two shapes is that they are all polygons. We call them polygons. And the difference is that triangles got 3 sides and square has 4 sides. Now let's take a look at some workout. Number 1. Students have started drawing triangles. Now use a ruler to draw one more line to complete each triangle. So we're going to draw, remember triangle has only 3 sides. So we already have 2 sides, 1, 2. So we just connect the 2 ends together to make 3 sides. There you have it, part A. Now part B. Join the 2 dots together and you have another triangle. Now part C. We have to join the 2 ends together in a straight line. Make sure you use your ruler, please. Everybody, use a ruler. And you have shape like this. Part D. We use the same ruler, join the 2 ends together. Part E, the same thing. and part F. So what do you notice in these triangles? They are of the same size. They are of different sizes. I beg your pardon. They are of different sizes, but the same shape. They have 3 sides, but different sizes. Now let's take a look at workout number 2. You can pause this video to finish your work before we continue. Workout 2. Read each shape name, then complete the shape using the existing lines. So square. Square has 4 sides. So we're going to join the 2 ends together. Join this together and this. Join this together and join this end together. And part. So we have shape like this as a square. And remember, square, all sides are equal. Now, rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides. So we're going to draw these 2 here and join it together to make 4 sides. Now part C. Hexagon has 6 sides. Four sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. 6 sides. So we're going to draw this. You can draw it in any shape, but make sure you have 6 sides. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 more sides to make it hexagon. So we're going to have 2 more. Join 1, 2 to make hexagon. Now let's go to part D. Pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. 5 sides. So we already have 2. 1, 2. Now draw 3 more sides to make it a pentagon. It can come in any shape. You can join this to make it 3, 4, 5. Or it can come in this way. It can come in different way, but make sure it's 5 sides. It's got 5 sides. Now triangle part E. Triangle 3 sides. So complete that to be 3 sides. So we have something like this. Now part F, rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides with 2 opposite sides, equal opposite side. So we're going to have something like this. So you can pause the video to finish your work before you continue. Now let's go to number 3. Use a ruler to draw one line to split each shape into polygons of the same size to match the label. So, for part A, two squares, and we know square, all four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal, so we have two cubes here. So we're going to draw a line here to make it equal sides, to have two squares. There you have it. And number two, part 3B, two rectangles. Two rectangles, it could be like this. We have one, and we have another one. It could also be like this. It could also be like this, to make it two rectangles. Now part C, two triangles. How can we make two triangles out of this? We can make it by joining. It could be like this. Two triangles. Or you can draw the diagonal, draw a diagonal line to divide it into two triangles. So whichever way you want it, it's all possible. Now let's go to the fast finishers. Shapes can be joined together to make larger shapes. For example, these two triangles can be joined to make a larger triangle. So we have two triangles joined together to make a larger triangle. Now, how many triangles are in the picture on the right? Remember, shapes can be joined together. Look for triangles of different sizes, okay? So we have so many different triangles and different sizes of triangle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now let's look for bigger triangles. This 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have 24 in total. We have 24 triangles in total. The larger ones are here. This triangle. This is a triangle. Continue like that. That is a triangle. So that is 24 triangles. Now let's go on to the practice. Now I want the student to do this first and check your drawing with the teacher. Draw one more line to complete each triangle. Do it first before I show you my drawing. Come on, do it now. So for part A, B, and C, you have something like this. Compare it with yours and see if it is the same. Now let's go to number 2. Now number 2, do it yourself first. And let's see if it's the same with the teacher. I give you 1 minute. Read the shape name, then complete the shape using the existing lines. So draw it, everybody, you can draw it first. This has 4 sides. 4 sides, 6, 5, 3, 4 sides. Are you done? Now compare with the teacher. You have something like this. There you have it. Compare it with your own, but make sure the sizes are the same, even when it's not the same drawing as teachers, but make sure the sizes are the same. 4 sides, 4 sides, 6 sides, 3 sides, 5 sides, and 4 sides. Okay. So now let's go to number 3. Draw one line to split each shape into 2 polygons of the same size to match the label. So part A, 2 triangles. So we just draw a diagonal to make it 2 triangles. Part B, 2 rectangles. And part C, 2 squares. There you have it, everybody. So I'll see you again in the next class. Have a beautiful day.